Hello everyone, I'm recording this video as a part of my assignment in edX public speaking course, and this is for the impromptu speech. I've selected the topic of is the or are or whether the computers are the most important technological invention of the 20th century of the 20th century or not. Well, I've chosen that topic because I'm a very big fan of computers. I'm a computer nerd. I like computer software, and I get very enthusiastic around computer software. So I can talk about I can just talk about computers forever. However, for this speech, I would say yes, computers are the most important technological invention, maybe not only in the 20th century, maybe since the beginning of humanity. And I can come up with many reasons to support my statement here, but I will concentrate on two main reasons. The first reason is that computers have helped other scientific disciplines to make major milestones or major revolutions, since computers were actually integrated within the scientific research of these disciplines. And the other reason is that the massive economic impact of computers that affected every particular or every aspect of our daily life, of our everyday lives. So first, I'll be talking about the impact of computers on other scientific disciplines. And when I say other scientific disciplines, any science you can think of, starting from medicine, engineering, biology, chemistry, physics, anything or any science that you can think of has actually benefited from computers. And computers have actually helped to develop the scientific methodology. And by scientific methodology, I mean the set of experiments that used to be done like manually before computers came along, and that manual handling of this kind of experiments will just produce lots of errors, lots of miscalculations. Nowadays, these mathematical calculations or statistical analysis is just handled by computers and produce much more better results. Moving on to the scientific methodology is also something called the scientific simulation, or the simulation environment. Using computer software, scientists can now simulate anything you can think of, from the movement of the hot materials in the core of the Earth, and even to the movement of the galaxies in the outer space that are billions of miles away from us. So this kind of simulation helps the scientific community to validate experiments or to validate some theories, which is a major breakthrough. The second factor is that the electronic publication or the electronic publishing was also a great advance, or has made a great advance for the research community. And I can come with an example here to illustrate what I mean, because nowadays I'm a research student, and if I need a research paper, in a matter of a few clicks, in a few minutes, I can access any research paper that I need. However, that was not the case like 20 years ago or 30 years ago, no. Because my guide told me, or my research guide told me, that when she was a master's student just like me now, it used to take up to 3 months for any research paper to arrive. Just imagine 3 months just waiting for that research paper to arrive, and then you can start your research, or you can start your experimentation on that research. So nowadays, if I need any research paper, I can just, from my laptop, which is of course a computer, with the internet, I can access the web server of the publication institution, that's also another computer, and download that research paper in a matter of a few minutes. And this kind of easy access to research papers have also helped the scientific or the research has connected the research community and made a great impact on all sciences. Moving to the next point, which I'll be talking about in the next video.